Hello everyone, welcome back with the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 2nd, 2024, and I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, and it's the Tectonic. News of today, well, there's not so good news because there are 7 people killed, 7 volunteers. They are working in Gaza and distributing food, World Central Kitchen, and they are from 7 countries. One from U.S., Canada, from Poland, I believe, from Britain, killed by a strike of the Israelis. Yeah, want to help people and killed by the. Yeah, it's a filthy war. Yes, it's a filthy war. When will they cease fire? It's almost a half year. Yeah, I remember the 7th. Yeah, October the 7th started the war. Well, it's almost in a few days, almost a half year. So this war is very filthy. Anyway, let me continue with the third regular puzzle. And I've told you earlier, there's in today's newspaper no extra puzzles. So in the evening, no puzzles, and I won't do any more the puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper or the day before, because those puzzles are too easy to solve. It's wasting my time. If there are any requests, just post in the comments, and I will do those puzzles. I've have a PDF file of all the puzzles, but let me continue with this one. Yes, number 8292. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. So I think it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. 2 stars puzzle 15 to 20 minutes, but it's indicated with a 3 stars. Yeah, 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 1 star, 2 stars, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Well, first question to you is: can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here, single box. Here. Always a 1. Here and there. All right. Next question: do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me check for dual boxes. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box of a triple box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question: do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. No quadra boxes here. Then the following step or strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, we have here one shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape, Remember. Come on. That this box, the T shape, has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. We have only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about well, we have this shape. Here, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box should be have the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And the next shape. We have only one L. We have more. Yeah. Let me draw this shape here then. We have no room here. This shape. You need to remember this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box. Oh, this box is the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, 5 figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. But if you remember those shapes, the question is why you need to remember those shapes or recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Well, this box can be, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 to 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be here. is connected with that box, should be also 4, is also connected with this box, should be also 4, and is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. I mark this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 now, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the one in this triple box should be there. Alright, two numbers, two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then this box can be 4. That box can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1, we have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 to 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 to 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then let me think. 2 to 5. Well. This box can be 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, yeah. So not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 to 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. Alright. This box can be 4. That box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Well, 4 and 5, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Told you. Can it be a 3 stars? Can it be a 2 stars? Should be a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.